Welcome back to another episode of Tech Unplugged, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that's at the intersection of artificial intelligence and web development, specifically a browser-based implementation of the GPT-2 model using WebGL2. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth does that mean? Well, let's break it down. GPT-2, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 2, is one of the most popular language models powering everything from chatbots to creative writing assistants. And with WebGL2, developers are now able to harness GPU power right inside your browser without needing complex back-end setups. Pretty cool, right? So, what are the key prerequisites to get started with this amazing tech? First up, you need Node.js version 16 or higher, along with NPM, just your reliable package manager. Then, if you're into Python programming, make sure you've got at least version 3.8 installed. And of course, you'll need a modern browser that supports WebGL2, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Now, here comes the fun part, downloading the GPT-2 weights. Using Hugging Face's transformers, you'll pull down some essential components with a Python script. Honestly, it sounds a bit daunting if you're just starting out, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward once you get into it. Just run a simple command line script and you're ready to go. And if you're like me, you might be curious about how it all fits together. Picture this. You're building an AI that can chat or write stories right from your browser. To do that, you've got to set up the front end, which is where Vite comes into play. It's a fast tool that bundles TypeScript, serves ES modules, and manages your tokenizer. By the way, for all the visual learners out there, the project structure is organized and quite intuitive. You'll find your static assets neatly served, all your weight binaries, and even a clear entry point in HTML to get everything rolling. But there's more. What really excites me about this implementation is how it opens up opportunities for developers to experiment and innovate without heavy hardware dependencies. It makes state-of-the-art AI accessible right from your browser, which could lead to some groundbreaking applications. So to wrap up, if you were to dive into this project, what bits of knowledge or resources would you need? And how do you think this could impact the future of web applications? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember to reach out on our socials or leave a comment wherever you're listening. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Unplugged, and until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious.